Damn snake's 2 feet long.
So all of that. So a delicious dinner if I can only figure
Yep.
out how to...
How am I going to swallow that snake? Oh boy. I think he's waiting for it to stop wiggling. That's his problem.
Just want to let go of it, have it get up in the air, and have it slither away. How much of it down his throat do you think he has?
None. He's just got it across his beak. The thing is that the snake is full. He's got the head in his beak, and he's trying to crush it. Well, that could go on all afternoon. Can you see him?
Yeah, I can see him. Sure can.
Well,